Light bulbs for automobiles are made in several standardized series. Bulbs used for headlamps, turn signals, and brake lamps are required to comply with international and national regulations, but other bulbs such as auxiliary or interior lighting may not be regulated, but common types are used by many automotive manufacturers. Choosing the right bulb for your car sometimes proves a bit of a challenge. For some reason, Vauxhall engineers thought it would be a good idea to use a wide variety of bulbs with the Insignia, and were a bit undecided, so changed it with the facelift model. So, let's jump right in. What headlight bulbs does your vehicle need? Well, if your Insignia's headlight looks like this, then you need the H7 halogen bulb. Probably the most common type of bulb these days, the H7 is cheap and reliable, but not the best when it comes to light intensity. You will find links to buy H7 bulbs in the description. Obviously there are different quality products and they have different prices, all the details are there, in the description below. Next up, if your headlight looks like this, then you need the D1S Xenon bulb. These are more expensive, have a decent functioning life and offer great light intensity, also being called high-intensity discharge lamps. Just as before, links for this type of bulb in the description. Last but not least, if your headlight looks like this, you will have to look inside where you could find either the new HIR2 or a D1S Xenon bulb. The HIR2 is also called 9012 and is a fairly cheap but not very bright bulb, that fortunately has a lot of LED replacement options. You'll find our favorites in the description as well. So that's about it. We'll cover the new Insignia B in a later video, as these are quite new and most people will service them with their dealer rather than replace their own bulbs. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.